The Reclothes decentralized application incentivizes the recycling of second-hand clothes using Ethereum-based tokens. The D-app allows customers to send boxes of second-hand clothes. The boxes are evaluated, and the customers are rewarded with a certain amount of reselling credit tokens. Then, the tokens can be spent in the shop to buy recycled clothes. The D-app uses MetaMask as a gateway to interact with the blockchain network. The user is guided through a fast and secure MetaMask onboarding. Also, the information necessary to configure the network safely is provided. After following MetaMask's instructions for creating a wallet or importing in with your own, the D-app downloads and synchronizes with the blockchain network. Then, the user unlocks the wallet and connects an Ethereum account with the D-app. Now, it's ready to start interacting using the account. The Reclothes D-app will download and automatically update the data of the available clothes on the shop page. The clothes can be second-hand clothes or upcycled clothes. As you can notice, the user is not recorded as a customer yet, so it cannot buy any cloth. The boxes page will contain the boxes of second-hand clothes sent by the customer, allowing data transparency when sending a box. The collection page will contain every clothes purchased by the customer. Let's get back to the shop page. The user needs to click this button here to register and gain customer privileges. MetaMask will pop up a transaction confirmation window for confirming the transaction. The window shows the smart contract address we are interacting with and the transaction costs in Ether. As you can notice, we are using a custom Hyperledger BSU network configured as a zero-gas network, avoiding any transaction cost. After the transaction inclusion in a block, the user is officially registered as a customer. We can also check the transaction in EthStats, a light version of a blockchain explorer instantiate for our custom BSU network. The customer can make some RSC tokens by sending a box. The customer opens the form by clicking the Fab button below on the boxes page. The customer's box contains 5 t-shirts, 1 jacket, 2 shirts, and a short description below. The customer sends the transaction and waits for the confirmation. Finally, the customer can see the box with clothes and related quantities for each type. Now, the Reclothes dealer can evaluate the box and compensate the customer with RSC tokens. Suppose that the customer has sent 2 additional boxes, and the Reclothes dealer has evaluated 2 of them. The first for 80 RSC tokens and the second for 100 RSC tokens. Now the customer has 180 tokens and decides to buy a pair of jeans for 25 RSC tokens. This time MetaMask will pop up 2 windows because the entire process for buying a cloth involves 2 transactions. The first is to increase the allowance of RSC tokens for the Reclothes shop smart contract. The contract can now safely spend an amount of RSC tokens equal to the cloth price from the customer balance. The second transaction triggers the cloth buying and spends the customer tokens. After the double confirmation for the transactions, the jeans pair is removed from the shop. Now it is visible in the customer clothes collection.